My name is Sam Kohler. I'm the owner of Vanguard General Contractor. I started in the roofing industry when I was 18 years old in sales. After being the president of 2 different companies, I decided to go on my own at the age of 22.
I put an ad on a local neighborhood app looking for help for a project, and I heard from Shane.
I came out here to check out Al's property. He had some water damage. Upon inspecting the property, he was under the assumption that he was going to come out of his pocket $6,000 to $9,000 for the interior and exterior damage just to fix what he had.
Well, initially it was just roof leaks. We had several roof leaks that were causing some damage on the interior, so I wanted someone to go up there and find them. And Shane did.
After inspecting the roof, I actually had found hail damage and wind damage from storms that had happened, that had occurred previously, actually about 2 weeks prior to us coming out here. Out that he had the storm damage, so we contacted Erie, his insurance company, and he decided to make a claim and go forward with the claim.
Well, the first thing that had to be done, of course, was all the solar panels had to come off so they could access the roof, and that went pretty quick, maybe about a day. And then they had to tear off all the old shingles and prepare the roof for new shingles, which meant a lot of rough plywood had to be replaced. And then, of course, you got to put the solar panels back on. So that was another day, and it went well. And then we did some interior painting to fix the damage that was done to the walls.
Here you see the back of the house, you see the beautiful architecture of the roof. This roof wasn't an easy roof to do. There's many cuts in there, diversions and everything. We had to put a couple water diverters in there. One thing we really like about this house is the black gutters and how it stands out from the rest of the neighborhood and really outlines the rest of the house and the stern to really pull the blue and the grays together with the roof.
Well, Vanguard General Contracting was great. The results were exactly what we needed, and the crews that were brought out to do the individual steps were all well-trained, did quality materials. I highly recommend them.
I love roofing because of the value I'll be able to provide to people and really turn their house into something that's beautiful. What's up, insiders? Dimitri asked me to show you a little bit about our inspection process and how we show the customers how the Vanguard difference. So this is the FPV, the newest DJI drone that came out. You can actually show it through goggles, and you can see it. It's crazy. So when you're putting it on a homeowner, you can show and see all the damages and show them, and it really brings everyone out the street and wants to play with the toy. All right, let's go. This is a hip roof with a bunch of solar panels. This is the exact kind of house that we love to do. And if you can see right here, you can see all the granular loss. I mean, on this is definitely a really old roof. And looking at each thing, you can actually see some wind damage right here. We got like 2 possible ones. And then down here, we got I see another possible one. And then down here, yeah, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 11 on the back slope connected into this modified bitumen low roof right here. And so I mean, this is an easy $60,000 claim that is that simple. You fly a drone over. We just took a video of it. I'm gonna go knock on the door, show them the video. Hey, you have the damage. We're doing your neighbor right now, and I just sold a $60,000 roof. As simple as that, really. Maryland roofing is very diverse. We can see a house that costs $10,000 to do and a house that's $300,000 to do. So you really have to be able to know your market and help everyone that needs to be helped.
Me and my video guy cannot stop talking about how young you are. You're 24, you already produced $30 million this year. Your goal is 17, and this is your first year in business. What makes your company different from everyone else?
A couple things. So, as Vanguard General Contracting, our slogan is like the future of home improvement. So, that's what we really are trying to be, the future. Use technology in our business and also, provide value to the homeowner and not just another someone, trying to sell you a roof or give you a free roof or something, how people, try to actually provide value to the community and, be there and help.
You do know that your numbers are way above average. right?
Yeah.
In the industry. What's your secret? How did you achieve that?
You know, it's really just working hard, you know? I mean, I just work every single day, you know, and have a goal.
7 days a week?
7 days a week, yeah, 7 days a week. And like, when I started, it was like 7 days a week, 14-hour days every single day, you know? Every single day I would go out, sell, and then work, like train other people, and then come home and do all the back end stuff every single day for a long time, you know? So it's really, if you put your, you know, if you really want something bad enough, you can make it happen. My favorite shingle currently is GAF Timberline HDZ. I just have found that it lasts the longest and it looks the best. Today we're installing GAF Timberline HDZ Pewter Gray. So what's unique about this shingle is its thick nailing zone. It's also got a 25-year stain guard warranty. So what they did was switch from spraying copper on the granulars to actually putting copper beads inside the granulars to actually last for 25 years. I think one of the best things about GAF is their unlimited wind warranty. So as long as you use their components and get it warranted through GAF, you have an unlimited wind warranty.
You said that your goal was $17 million in the first
yeah,
year,
yeah.
And then you said that I asked you earlier, how did you come up with it? You said
okay.
15 jobs per week. How did you come up with the goal, and how did it break down?
Yeah, so installing 15 roofs a week at the average price of $20,000 is $17 million a year. Wow. So I did that because that's what we were doing. We were at the capability of doing 15 roofs a week. So I was just like, okay, well, if the average, you know, I just took 20,000 as the number. I just did quick math, and it was like, okay, I can.
This is how you come up with a goal. I can do 15 roofs a week. My average ticket is 20K. I should be able to do 17 million. Was it?
Yeah.
Did it scare you to calculate to that number, set it as a goal?
It didn't scare me. I mean, it's scary to like grow that fast, yeah, but it's not very scary, you know, because.
So, what's your background before that? How many years were you in sales? You worked for different companies.
Yeah, I've been doing sales. I mean, I had a business when I was, you know, still underneath 18, you know. Wow. So, and then after that, how I got into roofing, I worked for a company, started off as a canvasser, became a salesman, became a sales manager, and then became the president of another company. And then did that for a while and then started my own company.
We often do get a bad rep for being door knockers, but we are here for a reason. So please listen to the contractors, but make sure that you do trust them. And they trusted me, they trust my work, and I'm here and I'm helping them, even though they weren't looking to be solicited.
My advice to any homeowner is honestly to research any company and go with your gut feeling. You know, if something doesn't seem right, it's probably not right. When deciding who to choose to do your roofing project, always verify that they have all the appropriate licensing and are, you know, certified through Owings Corning or GF or whoever they're installing.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about roofing business, check out Roofing School. This is the place where we put our best business content. You will find over 400 videos. Once I sold my business over a year ago, I have traveled to more than 100 companies, and Roofing School offers pretty much my business model. I show you where to advertise. We have courses like QuickBooks for Dummies, and it's very, very affordable. We just lower our price to $49 per month. No sign-up fees, no cancellation fees. Try it for a month. It's perfect for startups, perfect for those who wants to get in a business. If you're an employee today or subcontractor and you're dreaming of to have your own business, roofing-school.com is designed for you. Like to see you inside, because so many videos that we have filmed we cannot publish here on YouTube, not to make those companies vulnerable. But if you like companies like Vanguard, Sam Kohler Story, you will see more content from all of the trips we have made, and I'll show you the true insights to those businesses and secret to their success. I'll see you in the school.